On my front of my cover is a little K sticker, this rose sticker, and then this washi tape thing that goes all the way to the back. And then here's my key, or like table of contents page. And then I have this quote, "Life is but a breath," from a Hume speaker from 2018, summer of 2018 said that, and it's really inspirational for me. Now, next I have my key. So this is when I write stuff in my bullet journal. I have like task, event, appointment notes. I don't really use any of this except for task, event, and appointment. Stuff like that. And like coloring it in like that and moving it. Then I have my swatch page, which I used up. And then I have my year at a glance, a little key down here, and I'm just filling it out. And then I have a collage page, a weekly thing, and Bible study, a diary entry, more of those pages, morning routine and a night routine just to help me stay on track, and then YouTube video ideas, which I'm just gonna cover up so that people will be surprised. And then I have some sticky notes just about stuff like that. And then here's books I need to read and movies I want to watch. And as you can see, as I complete them, I color them in with a green arrow. Check a green check box. And then I have August, my August monthly calendar, and I have like my key, my events, my goals, and my to-do list for the month. And I like it, it's really pretty. And this one this week was July to August, and it's really simple and yellow, and it's nice. And then I have some more collage pages of just like outfits I like, shoes I like, clothes I like. And then I have my bullet journal spread from when I went to Alaska. So I have all the events and stuff at the times right here. And then here I have like a diary, a little mini synopsis of what we did, so that I can come back to it later and see and remember. And then here I have all my birthdays for my friends, my gift ideas for those said birthdays. This is a spread that I didn't really use that much. Here's a diary entry. And I like to just do like a big page and then use it whenever I need it. Then I have a fall bucket list with like little ideas and things I'm looking forward to in fall. A list of stuff I can do if I'm feeling down. And then we get into my September monthly spread, which is kind of more themed, like my first real theme, which is crystals and like gems and stuff. So I have "You're a gem," which is a quote I say a lot. My September thing, my monthly spread with my goals, and I just did these like songs that I like, movies that I want to see, books I want to read, another to-do list. Then I have my mood tracker, which I had a little key there, and I just fill it in, and a habit tracker, so I can see how many times I did everything at the end of the month. And then this is my September weekly spread, which is cool. My first 2-page spread. And then this is one from 2 weeks ago. And my favorite little thing here is the 2 jars with the crystals hanging in it.